Ciao walkers, I'd like to introduce you to a new Prowalk Tours feature made available for the first time in this garden in Nymphawalk. Now if you scroll down to the video description below, you're going to see a link titled Map of the Walk. When you click on this link, it's going to open up a new Google Map window where you can see the whole walking path from start to finish. Now included in the walking map are icons telling you where there are specific pictures and videos of sites along the way. Now if you click on a photo icon, a window will open up on the side here and it says there's 2 photos. So you can scroll through and look at the photos of that location, and it also tells you the timestamp of that location. So at 9 minutes 11 seconds is where you'll find this location in the video. Now when you click on a video clip, it also says here there's 4 photos and 1 video. You click on the link, it opens it up, and now you can scroll through and look at the photos. And when you look through the photos, you'll see here at the end there's also a video, and it takes you to a YouTube video that I've uploaded that's only available through the link on the Google Maps. And what makes the videos interesting is that they're video clips from separate visits to this location. So in this instance, I went there with my family and we actually were able to walk up onto this bridge that's not available or not allowed during regular tours. So you'll only see this clip by clicking on the link in the Google Maps. And if you're interested, you can also just obviously zoom out to see where this location is in reference to places like Rome, which is about an hour north, and Naples, which is about 2 hours south. So these Google Maps will be available in all the new walks by clicking on the link in the description below. Enjoy.